Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to thread the Janome 7025 sewing machine using the automatic needle threader. This white contraption here is the automatic needle threader. So this is the part that will help you thread. What you need to do is pull that down and hold it down. The needle of the sewing machine needs to be at its highest position. If that isn't at its highest position, then it won't work. Okay? Pull this down. You've got two little parts here that we're going to thread underneath. This white lever here and this white lever here. What we're going to do is just take the thread, put it under the first white lever, pass it through in front of your needle but behind the second white lever. As long as the needle's at its highest position, you just let go of that and you'll see that the thread's gone through. Magic!